Cockpit Country, Jamaica's heartland.
As you can see, it's a farming community, very deep rural. And if the company should come now and mine these lands, then the livelihood of the people would be at stake.
Home to many Jamaicans who love where they live and want to make sure it is protected.
One of my major concerns is the water stable from Old Trios right back to Montego Bay. All of these water come from the Cockpit Country. When the bauxite company mine these places and chop the water stable, what are we going to do?
We're having the problem with the water in the city, in the school. The top of the school, which we use as the main source of catching the water, the catchment for the town. And then when they dust accommodate there, then they wash into the tap. And the children have to use the same water to drink.
The government said they will not allow mining in the Cockpit Country Protected Area. But that doesn't protect the areas that lie just beside it.
So just because you're outside of the protected area boundary doesn't mean that you're not still a part of Cockpit Country. It's still connected above ground and below ground.
That means anything we do very close to the boundary, like mining, can still hurt what lies in the protected area. Find out how you can take action to protect Cockpit Country by logging on to www.savecockpitcountry.org.